Hey everybody, for this website tips and tricks, I wanted to just show you real quickly some website guides that'll help you navigate through the planned site. So once you log on, if you go to Forum Guides and Documents, you go ahead and click Website Guides, and it should open up a new page here that shows quick guides on how to update your beneficiaries, update rebalance, investment directions. So all the basic operations that you can do on the site are right here in a nice step-by-step guides. So if you ever need any of this information and you can't get a hold of me or something like that, you can quickly click on here and go ahead and learn how to do that right there. So, but that's all I want to talk to you about today real quick. And again, if you have any questions at all, give me a shout via email or by phone, and otherwise we'll talk to you next time. Take care.